everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of emulated on the application of Reddit. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. When above you search about Reddit app and we click. Here we go to first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then here you click on clear cache. As you see here, you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.